Bhutasang, Kerala, Zuri, Himachal Pradesh. Zuri, Himachal Pradesh, Kerala, Bhutasang, and Tamil Nadu, Villupattu, Sohar, Bihar. Dhanapida Awards in 23 national languages. Northeast states languages like Manipuri and Santali, they will not get. This is asked in PSI 4 question paper. KC about Constitution of Federal Structures. KC said that Indian Union is a unitary state with federal state with subsidiary unitary features. What he said? Indian Union is a unitary state with subsidiary federal features rather than a federal state with subsidiary unitary features. CM's authority, ex officio chairperson of the state disaster management authority is not. He is ex officio chairman of the state planning board. It is right, and he must be the member of legislative council. It is not wrong. Malware, malicious, ransomware, clap attack, about computer virus, Daniel denial of services, yo-yo attack. Karnataka Sahitya Parishad, about Karnataka history. Sahitya Parishad started in 1915 in the region of the 4th Nalkare Krishnaraja Odiyar, and the viceroy of at that time. Who is viceroy? K.M. Vishwesvaraya. And the preceding year, Karnataka Sabha was formed. Okay, and there's Karnataka Mysore University in 1916, and Mazzini Club was started in 1909. The Italy's unification in Karnataka. Ramanarayana. Assassination of Karjanwali, Madanlal Dhingra, through bombing Bhagat Singh, Mir Jafar, Bengal of Nawab of Bengal, Ramanarayana, Deputy Diwan of Bengal. All covered.